Hello and welcome back to the Open Mind with you. Today there is not going to be any presentation document because the subject matter is totally different. Earlier this week, I lost my elder uncle and my father's elder brother, and he passed away after a long illness. तो जब भी वो गुज़र गए तो एक बहुत ही क्या बोल सकते हैं कि नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंस हुआ अबाउट द मेडिकल प्रोफेशन. मेडिकल प्रोफेशन इज़ बीइंग कंसिडर्ड एज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट नोबल प्रोफेशंस इन द वर्ल्ड. However, the incident which took place after my uncle passed away was really unfortunate, and that made me think that is this profession really noble only when a person has life in himself or herself. And that is why this video. So this is what happened after my uncle passed away. He was staying at my cousin's place in Gujarat's capital Gandhinagar, and obviously without a medical certificate the cremation procedures cannot be started. So my brother-in-law called the doctor available with whom they used to interact for casual requirements, and he said that he cannot come because you will have to contact your family doctor or the doctor who was attending to the uncle. Now the doctor who was attending to the uncle was associated with a hospital which was situated 20 kilometers away. So the doctor was contacted by my brother-in-law, and the doctor simply said that you please bring him to the hospital and then I will examine him and give you the certificate. Now आप लोगों को पता होगा कि अगर आप किसी जीवित इंसान को लेके जाएंगे हॉस्पिटल में, then the hospital will always take care of you, of course after following their procedures, etc. But when you take a person who is not alive to the hospital, the Indian way of thinking and Indian rules, possibly mainly compliance related issues, may first see you as one of the persons who is involved in this unfortunate incident. So they may insist on doing post-mortem and other things, whereas in this particular case my uncle passed away because of age. He was 93 years old and he was ailing for the last few years and he was really not feeling well. So और तो कुछ क्या हो सकता है, अपने पिताजी को, अपने चाचा को कोई क्या करेगा. But unfortunately this is how the approach is. So my brother-in-law was really tense because over there this incident, unfortunate death occurred around 3:30, 4 o'clock, and there is a time limit up to which cremation is allowed because of this COVID thing. I think 6:30 was the limit. 7 o'clock was the limit, beyond which they don't allow any cremation. So they were running around, and fortunately there is a next door neighbor's daughter is a doctor, but she was a doctor but not certified to issue a death certificate. So she had checked and medically she said that yes, he is no more. But जब तक छापा नहीं मिलता है ना, कुछ होता नहीं है हमारे यहाँ पे. And that is what my uncle was stuck with. I mean, my brother-in-law was stuck with. क्या हुआ, जो डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि आपको आपके अटेंडिंग डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए, उसके दिल में राम बस गए and he on his own called and said that it's okay, never mind, I will not let you suffer and run around. I will come and I will examine him and issue the certificate. So he came, he did all this, cardiogram and all that, and then he issued the certificate. This was a very sad incident, in my opinion, for all the medical professionals. And I do not know whether my videos have reached with ICMR or other medical associations. But मेरे भाई साहब, जो भी आप वहाँ पे हो, you need to think, is this what you have been awarded your certificate for? You are eager to help people who are going to generate revenue for you, because एक जो इंसान जो किसी भी तरह से बीमार है वो आपको पैसा दे के जाएगा, लेकिन जिस आदमी में जान नहीं है वो आपको पैसा नहीं देगा. सो इज दिस हाउ यू विल ट्रीट? इज दिस हाउ द रेगुलेशंस आर? And this is my request to all those people who are watching this video, and I appeal to them that think what would happen to your relatives if they also end up suffering like this. What my brother-in-law and the entire family. Imagine the situation that one has to go through when there is a death in the house. Is this the way you treat human beings? Is this a way you treat a person who was alive just a few minutes ago? आपको भगवान देख रहा है मेरे भाई. Please be human and change the laws. If not for yourself, if you believe that you are next to God, fine, I cannot change your belief. But at least be human. Show some kindness and not just justify the nobleness that has been attached to the profession. I hope my message reaches to the maximum possible. They may not like it, लेकिन मेरा मैसेज किसी को लाइक करने के लिए है ही नहीं, ये एक्शन लेने के लिए है. एंड इफ पॉसिबल आई विल ट्राई टू टैग द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ ऑल्सो and see how best they can take this forward for corrective and smooth implementation. Thank you very much for watching, and may God bless you.